Welcome to Haplast, where innovation meets production excellence. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through our state-of-the-art factories and showcase how we have the capacity to meet all your packaging needs in large quantities. Our journey begins at Factory 1, a cornerstone of our production capabilities. Inside, you'll find a team of highly skilled and dedicated workers, operating cutting-edge machinery. Our machinery is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring precision and efficiency in every step of the manufacturing process. The result: an annual output of 18,000 tons of high-quality packaging products from Factory 1 alone. But that's not all. Our commitment to meeting your packaging needs extends to Factory 2. Here at Factory 2, we've replicated the same dedication to quality and efficiency. Our modern machinery here can produce an astounding 36,000 tons of packaging products annually. When you combine the production capacity of both factories, we have the ability to produce a staggering 54,000 tons of packaging products every year. Our warehouses are always stocked with a wide range of packaging products, ready to be shipped to customers worldwide. We take pride in our ability to meet the packaging needs of businesses of all industries. But it's not just about the machinery, it's about the people behind the scenes who make it all happen. Our dedicated team is committed to delivering the highest quality packaging solutions, and we take every order as a testament to our commitment to excellence. So, whether you're a business looking for custom packaging or a large corporation in need of bulk quantities, Haplast is here to meet your needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Haplast's factories.